Hey everyone, this is Jay from the platform of Technology Chaos. Today, we're going to talk about how artificial intelligence will continue to evolve and impact various industries. Artificial intelligence has been a hot topic in the tech industry for several years now, and it's not showing any signs of slowing down. As AI technology continues to evolve, it has the potential to revolutionize various industries from healthcare to finance and beyond. In this video, we'll take a look at the current state of AI and make predictions for how it will continue to evolve and impact various industries in the future. Chapter 1: Current State of AI. Artificial intelligence has come a long way in recent years. AI systems can now perform tasks such as recognizing objects in images and processing natural language, tasks that were once thought to be impossible for machines. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon have all invested heavily in AI research and development, and as a result, AI is becoming more advanced and accessible. AI has already impacted several industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, predict patient outcomes, and even develop new drugs. In finance, AI is being used for fraud detection, risk management, and trading algorithms. In transportation, AI is being used to develop self driving cars and optimize traffic flow. Chapter 2: Predictions for AI in the Future. Here are the industries AI is likely to impact in the near future. Healthcare. In the future, artificial intelligence will play an even more significant role in healthcare. As AI algorithms become more advanced, they will be able to analyze larger and more complex data sets, allowing for other accurate diagnosis and personalized treatment plans. AI will also be able to assist doctors with surgery and other medical procedures, reducing the risk of human error. Finance. AI will continue to play an essential role in the finance industry. As AI algorithms become more advanced, they will be able to analyze financial data more accurately and quickly, making it easier to identify trends and predict market movements. This will allow traders to make more informed decisions and reduce the risk of financial losses. Transportation. Self driving cars are already on the roads, but in the future, they will become even more advanced. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated, self driving cars will be able to navigate more complex environments, such as crowded city streets. This will make transportation safer and more efficient, reducing traffic congestion and the number of accidents on the road. Education. AI will also play an essential role in education sector. As AI algorithms become more advanced, they will be able to personalize learning experiences for students, allowing them to learn at their own pace and in their own way. AI will also be able to provide teachers with real-time feedback on student performance, allowing them to adjust their teaching methods accordingly. Agriculture. AI will also impact the agriculture industry. As AI algorithms become more advanced, they will be able to analyze data from sensors and other sources to optimize crop yields and reduce waste. This will help farmers to increase their productivity and reduce their environmental impact. Manufacturing. AI will continue to revolutionize the manufacturing industry. As AI algorithms become more advanced, they will be able to optimize production processes, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. AI will also be able to assist with quality control, ensuring that products meet the highest standards. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel and have fun.